feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work.
Hello 18! Good news tayo! Sa mundo ng Spotify, ang Toy Friend song collaboration ng SB19 at BE:FIRST Japanese boy band is getting louder, getting next level into next era. Akalain mo, I thought ang nag-compose at nagawa ng kanta na Toy Friend ay isang Japanese composer. Yun pala, si Pablo nito ang gumagawa at ang team ng SB19 team at 1Z Entertainment. Di ba nakakabilib? Ito ang pangunahing kanta ngayon ng Spotify featuring BE:FIRST at SB19 sa kanilang first time ever song collaboration na ngayon pinalawak na, pinagetting stronger at louder. Toy Friend song of SB19 and BE:FIRST has addictive vibe, explosive energy at undeniable chemistry. Kaya naman, keep on streaming and keep on playing and listening sa Spotify with Toy Friend.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me, and what was left over I put.
You were fast, smoke.